Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Lexus IS250 center console. First, ensure your car is off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Gather your tools, including plastic pry tools, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a 10mm socket. Begin by twisting the shift knob counterclockwise to remove it. Next, use your pry tool to gently lift and remove the silver trim panels on both the driver and passenger sides of the console. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. Now let's move to the cup holder area. Carefully pry up the cup holder assembly, starting from the rear. Once it's loose, you'll find an electrical connector underneath that needs to be disconnected. After that, locate the two Phillips head screws holding the ashtray unit in place and remove them. With the screws out, gently pull the ashtray unit forward and disconnect any wiring harnesses attached to it. Keep track of all screws and connectors. With the ashtray removed, you'll now see two 10mm bolts at the base of the console. Remove these bolts. Next, feel around the edges of the console for any remaining clips. These usually require a firm but gentle pull to release. Once all fasteners are disconnected, carefully lift the entire center console assembly straight up, then slide it backwards slightly to clear the dashboard. This should free the console for complete removal. To reinstall your center console, simply reverse these steps. Ensure all electrical harnesses are reconnected securely before snapping any trim pieces back into place. Double-check that all screws and clips are properly fastened for a snug fit. Test all console functions, like the cup holder light and any buttons, before completing the reassembly. For other great deals and the link to Darn Tough socks, check the description below. Taking your time during reinstallation will prevent future issues and ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.